In this video, I'm going to show you a few more methods for driving traffic to your particular post. These are just very fast methods to drive traffic to your particular post. So you're going to go over to Google or your Internet Explorer window or Mozilla Firefox window and just type in propeller.com. Propeller.com, like an airplane propeller, just propeller.com. And if you're here for the first time, you're going to go ahead and sign up for free. So just look for the sign up option. Input your member name, which is your username, your email, password, and then go ahead and sign up, and then they will send you a confirmation message. Well, I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in to that particular account. So I'm just going to click there on sign in. Let's see here. We're going to go ahead and sign in and go up here where it says submit, and you're just going to go ahead and enter your story's URL. So I'm going to just copy that and just paste it and then click on submit URL, and you're going to want to just put in where it says story title, take out the breaking news blog part and just put in the actual keyword, and then type in just a very brief sentence like you did on Dig. Learn more about the 2009 Rose Bowl and how to access tickets for the great game. And then user tags would just be your main keyword again. And you could also take the other keywords that you found that were related to your hot trends and use those as tags as well. And then this would be a sports story, and then you just click on preview story, and then you would just click over here on approve and submit. And once you've clicked on approve and submit, you can just click here, it says view your story now. And now it says read the full story here, so go ahead and click on that link. And it now works, so you know that that went through okay. So now you just go ahead and sign out, and I'm going to show you another website that you can use to start driving traffic. So this time you're going to go to back to Google, and you're just going to type in delicious, and delicious.com, that's what you're looking for, and it'll say add to delicious. So you're going to get to a site that looks similar to this. Delicious, basically it's a website very similar to Dig and Propeller and some of these other social media websites. So if you're there for a first time, just go ahead and click on join now, input your information, your username, and then follow the instructions to complete your account. And then go ahead and click over on sign in over here. Once you have your account set up, and go ahead and click there on sign in, and then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to, on this site, you're looking for save a new bookmark, because they're calling these bookmarks here. So you're going to go and make sure you're on the exact post. Go ahead and highlight that and paste it in, and then click on next. And this time you just put in your title again. Then you can plug in your own notes if you would like. And then your tags again. So your tags would be your main keyword again. And then go ahead and click on save. And once you've done that, it's now going to show up. So you're on track. Now go ahead and click on sign out. I'm going to show you another site that you can do the same steps with as well. This next site is called stumbleupon.com, and you can go to Google and type that in as well. And where it says over here, join StumbleUpon, you would input your information and then click on join and download, and it will take you to a special toolbar that you will actually have in your browser window. And this is kind of cool because it enables you to get exposure to a different audience of people. These are people looking for fresh content on the internet a lot, and it's going to give you instructions for installing this toolbar. And the StumbleUpon toolbar will look something similar to this. It'll tend to work in Mozilla Firefox most of the time. So all you do is you go over to your particular page and you would just click on I like it with a thumb up, and it will automatically pre-fill the title. And I could say this is a great resource for 2009 Rose Bowl tickets. And then the tag would just be Rose Bowl tickets, and this would be under sports for the topic. It does not have adult content, and then click submit this site. And once you've done that, you've stumbled it, and now people can potentially come across your stumble upon post, and they may end up going ahead and going through to your website and potentially bringing you more traffic. So that's just stumbleupon.com. That's very simple. Once you join StumbleUpon, you're going to get information on how to install the special toolbar that I just showed you how to use. So it's simply like dragging it up to your computer, and you'll need to use Mozilla Firefox, which is compatible with Internet Explorer and with Windows-based computers and also Apple computers. So just follow the instructions for StumbleUpon. It's just another source of traffic. You don't necessarily have to use it. And you can also go over, if you want to find more of these social bookmarking sites, just go to Google and go to a site called socialmarking.com. Socialmarking.com. And just like you see it on your screen, socialmarking.com. And then go ahead and click on, um, let's see here, go ahead and click where it says bookmark. And once you click on that bookmark link, it's going to take you to a page where you can see a whole bunch more social bookmarking sites. So the list goes on and on and on. So there is a lot of these social bookmarking websites out there. So make sure that um, check this site out, because you can find a lot of new places that you can add your link to. Now, it's, may not be time, worth the time to go through and do all of these, but, the more you do, oftentimes the more traffic you're going to get. And if you're starting to see results with this, you may want to invest a little more time and use more resources. But the ones that I've shown you, those are some of the best resources for getting that fast traffic. Now, there's one more thing that you're going to want to do as well whenever you make a post, and that is to go over to a site called pingomatic.com. Pingomatic.com. So that is just pingomatic.com. Now, where it says blog name, you just go ahead and type in, breaking news blog, because that is your blog name. And then your blog homepage, you're just going to plug in your blog's homepage, which would be by just clicking the title of your blog. And this time, instead of putting the particular post down, you're just going to put your blog post down. So next thing you do here is go to the bottom, and you're going to click on Post Atom, just like you did when you were working with FeedAg in a previous video. And we're just going to copy that. We're going to paste that where it says RSS URL, and then you come back over here where it says services to ping, and you would just go ahead and click on check common, and that will check all of them. And then go ahead and just click on send pings, and what that's going to do is automatically submit your website to over 10 places all at once. So it's a really interesting tool to use, very simple to use as well. And so this is how you go about getting this system to work for you. It's very simple to do. Pingomatic, that's a one-time process that'll get you bookmarked. As you add new posts, in fact, you actually will want to go back and do this process again with Pingomatic as you add new posts, because that will ping these new sites, and that will tell them that it's time for them to go back and update the website, because you went ahead and added new content, and that will help get your site indexed that much faster in search engines, and then also it will help people find your content that much faster. So I'm going to show you in another video what the next steps are for keeping the system going, just so you understand that whole entire process.